soundboard is back. I'm fucking back. And we're here for another live stream. How's everybody doing? So, first of all, I want to start this by saying that I'm very excited because I'm actually going to start live streaming again every single day like I used to do back... Wait, sorry, let me fix the audio. Yeah. Okay, the audio is fixed. Okay, good. That's some trouble. I'm back on the new setup. So, I'm gonna start live streaming every single day like I used to do in the OG days. So, you heard me right. Now that the market is actually ramping back up and, you know, there's new interest to altcoins and obviously to meme coins, I'm gonna be back live every single day. I'm gonna support, obviously, and show awareness to my plays, what I'm investing right now, how I'm actually helping my investor community make money, because yeah, we're actually printing a lot of money right now, and all the haters, as always, are being proven wrong because I speak with facts, not with words, and as always, so obviously, I need to put that on the market because this is the way that we do it here. So, without any further ado, today, we're going to talk about meme coins. And by the way, I'm going to alternate a little bit this live stream between meme coins and altcoins and maybe some other live streams in which I talk a little more about every single project out there. So yes, that is pretty much the agenda. But for today, we're going to focus on meme coins. And obviously, you see the election has gotten into the #1 spot. I had to do it. Somebody had to do it. And we had to do it because... Guys, we are literally killing it as a community of election, okay? It's my community, it's JR's community. Obviously, it all started from him, and it's all a big community coming together. We've eliminated all the scammers, all the stupid people in the sphere, just behaving like snakes, bringing each other down. We've identified all of that, we've eliminated all of that, and now we're here and to demonstrate how a CTO needs to be run. And in fact, we're running the best CTO in the sphere. So let's go to election, okay? Let's go to election because we need to talk about this, obviously. And to deck screener. Let me actually grab it on deck screener. Can I find it? Okay, honestly, amazing. So, election. And it's so funny because people were like, oh, is this a rug, bro? And I'm like, stupid. So the chart started just going all the way up. All the way up. If you had been in my group, I don't remember where do you guy in? Like around here? No, actually earlier. No, it was like 150? Let me rephrase it. Okay, yeah, so this was the level that my community got in. So from this level to this level here, we have a wicked 1.1 million. Okay, so to all the haters, fuck you. Stupid. All right, because this happened in a couple of days. This is just getting started, by the way. I don't give a fuck about seeing the price action right now. I don't care. I can care less, okay? Because I'm not selling. Because I know the potential of this. Now that the actual good communities are joining efforts and bringing the best CTO in the sphere, this just doesn't matter right now, okay? Because we're playing the long term. This is not going to be a pump and dump. This is not going to be blah, 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 blah before you say anything. Yes, I'm not saying never take profits, never sell. I'm not saying that. But I can tell you that this is easily going to go into the millions. We have one of the hottest CTO tickers in the sphere. We are finally running ads, okay? So the ads are starting right now. Yes. Hold your horses, okay? Hit the rockets. Hit the rockets. There's two things that you need to do right now. Hit the rockets here and drop a like to this live stream, okay? Because if you drop a like to this live stream, there's more awareness to election and obviously more awareness to my channel. My channel grows. We all grow together as a big community, and I appreciate you a lot. Obviously, it's free to drop me a like, and I'm live streaming for free for you all, so I would really appreciate some support here. If you don't know the story, make sure to watch the previous live stream that I had with JR. We talked together about how this whole idea generated of taking over a project, and it's so funny because JR started inventing into this, and then the the dev basically rugged him, and he was like, okay, let's start the CTO. Then obviously he reached out to me, and we brought our communities together, and the rest is history, because this is just the beginning, okay? This is just the beginning. We talked about it in the last live stream, and I also put my previous video about into, you know, the starting out. And listen, obviously, if you'd been in my VIP group, you would be already 11x up or 10x up, whatever that is, right? But even if you had been in my free Telegram group, you would already be a 5x up, something like that. And if you watched that YouTube video that I said it was urgent because it was fucking urgent, you'll be in great profit already. So don't say that I gatekeep information, because everybody prints. Obviously, if you want to print more, my VIP group is there. And now I actually got a new website that I just created, and it's fucking great. So I do appreciate you guys for making this possible. This is great. I love this website. So check it out. It's first link down in the description, and it's the best domain in the sphere. It's cprol.com. Can it get any better than that? No, it can. And now I've actually updated with the new questions and the review page, and yeah, everything is here. And obviously the website is going to be updated and updated in the future. So absolutely very, very excited about that. Yeah, guys, I hear the questions. I'm just starting out the live stream, okay? I'm going to be here for a while, so I'm going to get to all the questions. I see everything, okay? So don't worry. I'm going to get to the questions in a second. I just want to give, obviously, the introduction before the people ask me, oh, wow, election is first. Yes, election is first, because I know... Listen, I'm one of the biggest whales. JR is one of the biggest whales, obviously. We are holding the floor. We are not even selling. So this project is really going nowhere. We're putting our faces out there, and we really want to make it right, especially me, but even himself, you know, like we got fucked over by so many players in the sphere. And it's time to make it right for our names, for our communities, and to actually print together like we've been doing, obviously, because obviously most of the things we're printing, we make mistakes, it's normal. But right now we're proving everyone wrong, because we're fucking killing it, okay? We're fucking killing it. We brought this to 1 million with pure organic, with barely, we had one call. We had one caller on Telegram call this project, which, okay, he did like a good 10% up or whatever you want to put it. But honestly, all was organic engagement from our respective communities and making a big overall community great. And you can see that every dip is getting eaten up. You can see that you can see that the buying pressure is real. Look at the buying pressure of this. Every single dip that we've seen, there hasn't been a single dip that hasn't been eaten by the community. Okay, so there was the big dip today. How long did it last? 5 minutes? Not long. This dip got eaten. All these tiny dips that you've seen towards going to the way up, they all got eaten. All the dips get eaten because people are starting to understand the potential of this project. I don't care if you understand it now or tomorrow or the day after. I can care less. I'm just here to help you out and help you make money. This is why I started this YouTube channel. And yeah, we're going to make it great together. Also, this is a CTO, okay? So it's not my project. It's not JR's project. It's no one's project. It's a CTO. Everyone, obviously, is going to contribute into different ways. I'm doing live streams. You might be good with raids. You might be good with spreading awareness or sharing to your mother-in-law. I don't know. Whatever you want to do, every little helps, right? What you can do also is donate to the marketing wallet. All the wallets, or the big wallets, are fully disclosed, so there's nothing dodgy going on. You can see it on the blockchain. You can donate some pennies. Maybe it's $10, maybe it's 50, maybe it's 100. Like if you're a whale, I don't know. But as little as you want, you can donate and contribute to how we're using funds. Obviously, join the Telegram because everything is disclosed in the Telegram of how, you know, we're using the money of the marketing wallet. So if you just want to make a donation, the details are in the Telegram. I think it's pinned. If it's not pinned, it's probably gonna just ask, and you know, the admins are gonna give it to you. But yeah, there's a VC open almost 24/7. So obviously, just join there if you want to see all the updates. Join there, and the X content is fucking fire, bro. Obviously, it's fucking fire. Oh, yeah, look at this. Look at what they just posted.
Take the shot.
Okay.
The American people deserve.
What a G.
The American people.
What a chat, bro. Content's fucking fire, man. Mint contest, still running. So many ways to get involved. Multiple spaces that we're going to host. There's so many ways that you can get involved. So if you want to be part of the best community, find me a better CTO. I'll wait because you're not going to find it. This is the best CTO that you can find. So yeah, if you have any questions on election, just let me know, okay? Just let me know. I've seen also, excuse me. I've seen a lot of questions asking how to buy election. I mean, you can just be decentralized exchange normie and just, you copy and paste the contract address. Make sure that it starts with 5NG and it ends with ARA. This is the correct page. You can also go on the website and copy and paste it. However you want, okay? You can do that and put it, on Jupiter and trade there. I do recommend using BullX. Okay, that is probably, I do recommend 2 trading bots. I'm going to explain real quick for all the people. Why should you use a trading bot? So first of all, transactions are faster. So if there's a big run up in price and you want to buy and maybe your buy doesn't get in, or reversely, if everybody's selling, you can take profits. I do recommend trading bots because of that. And also you're going to be able to set limit orders. So for instance, you don't want to buy election now. You want to buy election if it goes back to 0005. It's not going to happen. Stupid. Anyway, let's say that it happens and you want to buy at this level. With BullX, you can put a limit order and just like a centralized exchange, if it goes here, okay, before it goes up, you're gonna get your limit fulfilled and etc, etc. So it's super simple, it's super easy to use. Honestly, it's not that hard. And also you can enroll into the giveaway that I'm running. I need 250 more users, something like that. I think I'm halfway the campaign. I'm gonna airdrop 1 Solana to a lucky winner. All you gotta do is just click here. I've pinned it right now, so you can just hear. You're gonna get instant access to BullX, which, by the way, there's a 200,000 people waiting list. If you, with my link, with my referral link, you get instant access. Like and repost, engage with this post, and also if you get selected as a winner and you haven't been trading with it, you're not gonna be eligible, okay? Because I'm gonna ask you for proof that you've been trading. I'm gonna ask you for screenshots, etc. So if you actually have been trading, you are going to get the 1 Solana. Otherwise, maybe if you just like this post thinking I'm going to give you money, no, you need to show that you're actually a member of this community. If you're not part of this community, then you're lost, all right? The other one that I do recommend, there's also another trading bot that I recommend. I'm using 2, and I have no real preference. I'm going to tell you what I prefer and what not. This auto snipe is really good as well. So this one, you get 40% off trading fees. So it's actually a little, it's actually a little cheaper to use. It is solely focused on Solana, so you're not going to be able to transact with Base. I do recommend it though for the rugged scam detection. That is probably why I'm using it, because it really gives me a bit more protection into identifying rugs. There's also all the trading filters that you see for BullX. So sees that AutoSnipe is more focused towards Solana and the rug prevention, and BullX is more of a jack of all trades, using towards all chains. So I hope that this answers your question. You copy and paste the contract address of election or whatever memes that you want to trade, and then you're going to be able to trade it on a trading bot. Just as simple as that, okay? And now I think that I should actually start reading a bit chat. Say what's up, interact. Make sure to like, obviously. Like the damn video. You're watching this video. You're a fan. I don't care. I mean, if you're watching, even if you don't like me, I don't give a fuck. You're a fan because you're watching this video, right? So just drop a like. Really helps me out. Subscribe if you haven't already. What you doing? What are you doing with your life? And also drop me a follow next. All the alpha. You find it first on next. My free Telegram is also linked in the description. All my affiliates, and obviously my VIP group. Now, let's get to the chat. Kai is in the house. What's up? What's up, my friend? Election is looking fire. Election. Stefan, what's up, my brother? Anyone seen this election token? I think that's a joke, but yes. Loads of attention. Yes, absolutely. Tell me how many X's you want. I give you the answer. Cipro. Bullish on you, bro. Oh, my God. 17K soon. I might get it by the end of the live stream. I have like Just a few followers left, a few subscribers left, I think. So I'm probably going to be there by the end of the live stream. Surprised you aren't bigger when you're the YouTuber that has made me most money by far. Let's fucking go. I hope you're well. Then we also have some haters. They probably just missed out on the alert, so they hate.
Stupid.
Oh my god. I literally gave a 10x plus in the last couple of days, and these people complain. Yo, what's up? What's up? What's up? Frank, what's up? JJ, what's up? What's up? What's up? Okay, a lot of people are asking me about Kendu. Let's take a look at Kendu, right? I know that you're rating my live stream, okay? I appreciate you being here. I don't discriminate. Let's take a look at Kendu. Is it Kendu Inu? There's so many, though. I assume that you mean the OG one on Ethereum. Let's see. It's been around for a bit. I think somebody told me that... Is this from the creator of Shiba Inu or some shit like that? Somebody told me, but... Look at... Wow, some early investors are really in a lot of profits right now. Like 70x now. They were 100x. They made 100x, the early investors. So let it sink in for a minute. I know that the community is very strong with this, so I already am quite familiar with the project. The community is very strong, but 166 million in market cap. It's already quite big. You know what? I found out about this project when it was around here. So what did I miss on? I mean, I would be like 3.5x from when I found it, so no biggie. Yeah, I think it has potential. I would need to check how the community is, because obviously the most important thing, guys, is the power of the community, how engaged the community is, like how active the community is. It seems quite active by looking at the social media feed. Kendu Chads. What's a Kendu Chads? I don't know what this is. Can somebody tell me? Launching in 2 days, long gestation platform. You can earn your cold hard Ethereum. I'm not sure what this is, bro. Looking bullish. I gotta research it a little more, guys. Good content. KOLs are posting about it. That's good. No paid sales? I mean, this is not an influencer, so... Do they really have no paid sales? The fuck is this?
Hello, Kendu Inu family. Hello, Kendu Inu family. I love you so much. Please, can you unban Bull from the Telegram? He misses you all. He misses you all. Oh, come on.
What the fuck did I just say?
Oh my god. That is unbelievable. It's true?
It's true.
Okay. I like the community. I like it. Okay, I'll research it a little more. I'll give you that. I mean, obviously, you would have wanted to get the dip here, but chart looks really good. What's the volume? Volume is not super high, though. That's the only criticism that I have for this project. But at the end of the day, it's a project on ETH mainnet. So that's also why you're like, okay, there's probably going to be less volume, because one of the things that I found out in all these years of crypto is that when there's a project that is traded on Ethereum mainnet, there's usually much bigger buys and sells and not very tiny DCA buys, because people don't really want to deal with all the gas fees that are associated with Ethereum mainnet. So for instance, on Base, you will see the projects that have more volume. They are lesser in sizes of transaction, but here is going to be big buys and sells. So look at this, like 18,000, 4,000. So it's like very big buys and sells. So the volume is going to be less. And also, if you consider now, most of the volume is on Solana, to be frank, if you're looking at just volume. If you see Solana, 2.4. Can we talk about Solana having 2.40 billion in volume? Because I think it was less than 2 billion the other day. So at least we have a 30% from last week when it comes to daily volume. So that is actually big. Yeah, you can see that just one of Ethereum mainnet, which obviously is one of the legacy networks to run meme coins, 1.46, base 500 million. So guys, these numbers are going to increase so much, and people, they are not, so many people are not in crypto. People are not really in crypto right now. So that's the main thing. Retail is really not in. If you're here right now, if you've survived all of the things in the bear market with the FTX and Celsius crashes, if you survived all of the dumps here, the dump in the post-halving cycle, you know, this late spring, early summer, you still survived, and if you're investing into this project, you don't know how lucky you are. If you're still here, congrats to you. I salute you, because you're probably going to be making so much money. If you want to multiply the money you're making, my VIP group is the place to be. First link down in description. Cipro.com. I got the best domain in the sphere, bro. Oh my god. All the info is here. I've added all the reviews that you guys have put over this last few months, and I'm gonna put more because I'm still not done finishing the website, but bullish. Everything's bullish, alright? Who knows? Kendu Inu might make it to the honorable mention list at some point. Bobby, welcome to you. Welcome to you. I did. Kai, love your community from day one. Thank you so much, my friend. Thank you so much. Kaspa. We need to talk about Kaspa. Kaspa is bullish. Kaspa has seen very good developments for, I think hash rate was all-time high or some stuff like that. I might make a video in the next few days. Maybe I'm going to make a video tomorrow, actually, now that I think about it. Because I probably should, because is this all-time high for Kaspa? All-time high is 19 cents 8. We are sitting next to all-time high. That is quite crazy. Quite crazy. Is there any exchange? What do you guys think? Is there any exchanges that are slowly accumulating Kaspa now? I mean, if we see the recent price action, holy shit, like this strong. All of these charts that look so strong, that have looked so strong during these red months, they're gonna look so freaking good when we actually have the kickoff of the altcoin season. That it's probably gonna be way sooner than you think. And wow. I'm super bullish on Kaspa. Obviously, it's one of my biggest holdings and one of my biggest bets for this bull market. I have a full playlist of videos on Kaspa. I have like 50 videos. I must have 100 videos about Kaspa at this point. And the thing is, exchange listings, when we're going to see these exchange listings, if this gets listed on Binance and Coinbase, after the volume ramps up and more people join the crypto sphere, look at the trading volume of Kaspa. It's actually increased almost 50%. It's increased almost 50% in the, what, in the last day. That's insanity, okay? That's insanity. So it's only the beginning, honestly. And if you had been in my group, honestly, you would have bought Kaspa from the dawn of time, really. We're in so much profit. Election is the best CTO by far. Yes, it is. It is, my friend. I'm glad that you see the truth. Make sure to follow, guys. Make sure to join. They're actually running a Spaces. Are they running a Spaces? No, I think they're attending a Spaces. Different. Anyway, make sure to just follow here. Join the team. Join the Telegram, because all the updates are obviously going to come in there first. And we have a VC running almost every day. Okay? So make sure to be there. Make sure to be there. I just read one hell of a Kendu Reddit post and now I see it all there. What's that? Reddit post? Can somebody tell me what's that? Came to the fucking moon. Actually, best CTO by far. Check the facts. Check the facts, guys. Check the freaking facts. All of this with a pure organic community. Like, where do you get that in the sphere? Everything is just a fucking, you know, a paid caller calls it, pump, dump, bullshit. This is all organic community. We had one KOL call in the entire thing. And, you know, that probably led us from here to here. But that's it. Like, all of the rest is organic. It's crazy, man. Freaking crazy. Kaspa. I'm bullish on Kaspa, my friend. Where do you guys see Kaspa in for price prediction? I want to hear from you, because Obviously, you're aware of all this YouTube moonboy-ish price prediction that say Kaspa's gonna go to $10, $20. I'm a bit more conservative. I think we can achieve the $5 if we are a bit like optimistic, but I think that $3 to $4 is perhaps a realistic range if we keep going at this phase. Like, people need to think that I'm not gonna say that Kaspa goes to $10, but I'm gonna say that Kaspa has been in the bear market, has been the top performing altcoin out there. Since it's been the top performing alt, this is keep gonna outperform. It's gonna outperform the whole market of altcoins. So yeah, somebody's saying 2 to 3. Yeah, that's fine. That's mine as well. I'm probably gonna start taking profits before because obviously I want to be conservative with taking profits. Okay, you never lose the money that you take profits with. Always remember that, guys. By election, that's very good non-financial advice. William got boosted for being a G? Who's William? I appreciate your work to grow in the future and to change your life forever. Thank you. Adrian, thank you so much. That means a lot to me. I appreciate you. Very kind words. Kendu will melt faces soon. Kendu chats around. Can somebody, guys, I don't know, since I'm very new to hearing about Kendu, what is Kendu chats? Can somebody tell me? It seems like it's a platform. I don't know if it's staking or any other rewards, but if somebody can tell me from the Kendu community what that is, I'm open to listening. And perhaps you can also educate some of my viewers. I'm not sure what the FUD is, though, Mr. Persian Nightmare. Cool username. Oh, who the fuck is William, anyway? Right steal 100x. A right stream can steal 100x. I'm obviously, conscious that it hasn't been doing much in recent periods. But at the end of the day, what has in the overall low cap sphere altcoin gem hunting market? Nothing has. So what I can tell you is that I am bullish on Rightstream and I am bullish on the release of Kryptonites, which is probably going to be one of the biggest catalyst events into ramping up the price of this altcoin. So in my opinion, a lot of people are going to, suffer because it's not going to do much for the foreseeable. But when it actually starts moving, people are going to be in very good returns. And the people that actually held through these months, they're going to be, they're going to be rewarded with very good gains. But a lot of people would have cheated by then. And then they're going to want to buy when the price goes back here, when it goes to all-time highs. Those are the kind of people that, they cheat and they go buy back the top. I always say, just buy low and sell high. That's what you want to do. You don't want to be the kind of guy that buys here after the massive got candles and then, they just freaking start selling when it's here and then they buy back higher. Honestly, it's full of these people in the sphere and we want to prevent that. At least I want to help you guys be on track. Great to see you back on live stream, bro. I appreciate you, Pete. Appreciate you. As I said before, guys, I'm gonna be back to live stream properly. This is how I made this channel fucking great. And now that, I've been doing some traveling. I'm obviously been working and grinding, but I'm also, just chilled out a minute because it's been like crazy months. Now I'm going to be back at live streaming pretty much almost every single day. Obviously, there's going to be one private live stream for my private VIP group. So if you guys want to join, you know how to join, okay? It's the first thing in the description. QR code is above my head. But then there's going to be a good 3 to 4 public live streams a week at least. And yeah, obviously, if you want to hear the alpha first, it's going to be in the VIP group. So you already know the drill. What's organic? Kendu? Damn, bro. The Kendu shillers are bullish. Are you still bullish on Dark? Absolutely, bro. How? Bro, why are you asking me if I'm still bullish? It's my second meme coin pick. My top 2 meme coin picks are Election and Duck the Duck. Those are my top meme coin picks. And I don't think that this is going to change anytime soon. I have other very bullish picks. I'm very bullish on Sexy. It's crazy that some people call Sexy a rug because it went to 25 million and now it's, what, 1 or 2 million? It's still in the millions of market. So before you call something a rug, educate yourself on what rug means, okay? It's just a very, very heavy correction, but it's meme coins, okay? It's not fucking Bitcoin or Ethereum. So if you want to have projects that are not going to swing a lot, then invest into the top 5 crypto and you're not going to be worried about that. It's going to be resembling a little more the stock market. Right? If you're investing into meme coins, be aware of the risk, okay? And I don't say this with financial advice because obviously this is not financial advice, but I really want to tell you to just be conscious of your choices and what the risks are. If you guys are saying that, you know, something dipped too much or something, you're probably overly invested into something, whether it is financially or emotionally, because it's also a thing to be overly invested emotionally, thinking that something is going to just go to the moon, and perhaps you have expectations that are too high and that is never going to happen. So very different things, but they can wreck you under just very different aspects overall. Election all day, all night. Fuck yeah, bro. Hamu, Vitalik Cat. You know what? I don't think I've seen this. By the way, can we just take a round of applause for election? Look at that. Perfect. Bullish chart. Hemulu. Hemu? $9 million. How's the chart looking? Ooh, what's this? Doesn't look that great, this chart. Very little volume. Again, it's on Ethereum mainnet, but how's the community though? Driven community, really? 9 million market cap, quite risky. Approved? Does it, or is this shit just full of crap? Crypto Banter shilling it. Could do alright, probably risky. I don't think I'd touch it. Turbo is still one of my top picks. Turbo, listen, my two top plays in the meme coin sphere for like safety are Turbo and Brett. Okay, Turbo and Brett, I have big bags of Turbo and Brett because those are long-term plays that I can sleep overnight without wondering, oh, is this project gonna pump? Is this project gonna rock overnight? So those are the projects that are gonna just kind of like, you know, save my crypto meme coin portfolio, which is separate from my main portfolio, which obviously it's treated separately. But yeah, Turbo looking bullish. I think they got listed on some other minor exchanges today or 1 day ago or something. So yeah, Turbo is just looking amazing, guys. Mirko Solana. Mirk. 40K. Chart looks good, just very small. A lot of volatility you can expect. Yeah, it's been pumping. Wouldn't buy today. Yeah, I've seen this before. It looks good. It's just very low in market, so obviously it's a lot of risks. People asking me about T-Mania. I don't know if it rugged. Did it? Whoa. Wow. I didn't see this, to be honest. What I can tell is that I'm not going to give you financial advice, but just be careful if you're still in it, because there's proof that the dev has been dumping. It's publicly available information on X. There's been a spaces for what the dev and his team has done. So obviously it's not just accusation out of thin air. They're on X that some other people exposed. And we talked about the situation, JR and I, in the last live stream that I did. So he explained, you know, he was in that spaces, so he explained what happened and he gave a heads up to everyone. So make sure to watch my previous private live stream that I did with JR. We discussed what happened to the project, and obviously I got fucked, just like everyone got fucked on it. I actually lost money on T-Mania. Some of my members, I actually want to put it as a win on my community, because some of my members did a 50x. I was given some promises, and those promises, obviously, I got just fucking tricked, which is a shame because I would have made multiple six figures out of the trade that I had, and I ended up as a loss. So, yeah, honestly, it is what it is, guys. But what I can say is that I'm making the money back with the election, and in no time, I'm actually going to be in a much fucking huge net profit. So, honestly, you can't win them all, but what matters is ultimately when you end up, and me and my community are ending up as a big winner. Mintlayer is an unbelievable opportunity. I do agree. Mintlayer still remains one of my top altcoins. I don't remember what spot it is right now. Let me check. Number 4 right now in some sort of particular. This is such a big discount for Mintlayer. Such a huge discount. It's actually close to IDO price. When Bitcoin dominance comes down, we need a Bitcoin layer 2 scaling solution. This enables RWA on Bitcoin. It's actually a big freaking deal. It's a project that I've been supporting for a very long time now. Out of my whole organic will, I never got a single cent from Mintlayer. And I can say that at these prices, I just honestly would keep accumulating. I think that Mintlayer is going to do very great things from here. That is all that I can tell you. And if you were looking for a dip, obviously, it could always dip more. It could always dip more if Bitcoin gets another hit before going for the actual altcoin season run. Perhaps, it's possible that Mintlayer is gonna keep dumping, a little more. But as soon as there's more interest towards altcoins, Mintlayer is gonna be one of the first ones to actually pump through the roof. So we're very bullish on that. Oh my god, so many shilling comments. Can I actually... Dex check, Manuel. I mean, I think that the platform is great. I'm not sure if I would still invest into the project. I did a swing trade ages ago. I've held it for like a few weeks. 12 million. The fact is that it's a bit niche for the industry that it is. So this is not one of those projects that retail gets in and they just start pumping your bags. It's probably not gonna happen. So yeah, I don't know what your spot is. I personally wouldn't get in now if you ask me, but it has a potential. It's probably gonna pump a little, but I'm not sure to what extent, because this is not one of those picks that is gonna be mainstream. It's just too niche, right? Like and subscribe. I appreciate you. Pete. Guys, just drop a like. It really helps my channel out, and you're here. You're a fan. Okay, so that Kendu Inu was an inside. Okay, so this William guy is one of our band member. Got unbanned from town. All right. I have no idea. I'm sorry, I'm not familiar with your lore. I don't want to give too many price predictions for election, and obviously I'm going to be a little biased saying, because I'm putting a lot of effort into this project, but what I can tell you is that, so 50x, I brought it around 100K, so that would be, let's say 6 million in market cap. 6 million in market cap is definitely achievable. 50x from here would be 40 million. Probably is on the bullish Moon Boys side. I think it's possible. It's obviously very hard because it will be a big market cap. There's going to be a lot of competition, and I want to keep it real with you. But if we keep on going this direction and we actually make it, as I said, the biggest CTO in the sphere, which we're doing right now. I mean, just look at this chart. It looks freaking beautiful. And we haven't, we're starting now with the ads, but there's so many things that we're going to do. So it can go to the moon. It can go to the moon, but obviously still a risky pick. So I'm not going to tell you put your life savings or anything. And obviously, nothing that I say, don't take anything as financial advice, but I think it's going to do very well. Pay chiller. Yeah, I'm paid to just chill. Because I chill. I'm so chill, bro.
Stupid.
Kimbo, first dog meme coin on Avalanche. I'm not that bullish on Avalanche meme coins. There's not a lot of volume. if one project makes sense as a meme coin on Avalanche is Wolf, but everybody seems to be buying Wolf on Ethereum anyway. So yeah, I don't know, man. Kaspa will move like Terra Luna. Well, I hope it doesn't rug, bro. $125. $125? I'm bullish on Kaspa. Do you know what market cap he would have to have? Come on, bro. Tequila, we got... So first of all, I never bought Tequila. I just attend those spaces, and I think the project looks very good. Dude, if you invest at launch at a project that has a pre-sale, it's on you. Because obviously, the people that participated to the pre-sale, they're going to dump on you. So if you got wasted... I didn't buy it. I'm going to consider buying the all-time low, which I don't think is there yet. But I might consider it, but I would definitely not FOMO at launch. In fact, I didn't buy it. I would have loved to have participated into the pre-sale, though. I would have loved to do that, but I didn't. Thanks for the alpha. We're 97 days away from the election. This alpha election will mad faces like LFG, man. LFG, absolutely. $2-3 target for Kaspa. Sounds good. That's very realistic, and that is definitely not going to disappoint you. What is this union that everybody is talking about? Union. Bro, the fuck? What the fuck is this chart, man? What? Victor, what to do with a bag of Duck the Duck? Hold, accumulate, or trade as it rises and fall? Duck the Duck is not one of the projects that I really swing trade. I did it once because obviously we had the big initial pump. So I did swing trade it a little. If you had been in my group, you would have discovered this when it was 250K. So we did a 20x. Okay, so we did a 20x. So we sold some. I didn't sell everything. I sold some here at the top. Then I accumulated at these dips that you see here. I wouldn't hesitate accumulating now. It's only 2 million in market cap, so it's super, super small. Obviously, it's gonna move a lot because it's a meme coin that has a very small market cap. So obviously, it's gonna move a lot. But this is not one of the projects that I really recommend doing swing trades because it's just gonna go up and down a lot. You know, but at the end of the day, it's very small. So yes, you could make some money, but I do not recommend doing swing trade. I would just accumulate and take profits when profits are due. So for instance, when I bought this and I did a 20x with my VIP, yes, I took some profits, but it's not that I'm just going back and forth. I did it once and then I just kept accumulating and that's it. And by doing this, for instance, I accumulated these dips that even from this level, they are 2x. So I just accumulate and chill. That's probably what I would do with Duck the Duck. They have the best content on X, and I always say it. And I have a fucking hat, bro. I mean, I have a fucking cap of Duck Duck, bro. Can I get any more bullish than that? Bullish. Let me fix it a little. Bullish. Tonka, don't know about that. Vapor Charles MC, good to see you on live streams, bro. One of the OGs. Sorry, I'm late for you. Seeing just to catch up. Good to see you, man. Good to see you. Okay, I'm gonna take a look at this one. Mr. Miggle. Mr. Miggles. 40 million? How is this thing 40 million? 40 million. 4.2. He's trending. Is this real? Yeah, I must have heard of this before. It's pretty crazy, man. Fuck, it looks good. Looks really good. Looks really good. What's the market cap now again? 40. Yeah, I don't know. I don't think that I would buy this market cap. Listen, it's probably going to pump, but think about the return you can make by buying something that you've done already. Like, you're not going to make 100x or something. So, yeah, it's up to you, man. Yeah, I'm not that bullish on Kaspa meme coins, to be honest. I think that people in the Kaspa community are just too stubborn to just even think about this. I think they're gonna have like a short fad, and then the places to trade meme coins are Solana and Base. That's my opinion. That's my opinion. Maybe I'm gonna be proven wrong, and maybe you're gonna find me in a few months on trading meme coins on Kaspa, but I don't think it's gonna happen. I think, though, that it's going to be, regardless of what the outcome is, I think it's going to be quite good for the ecosystem. So I am bullish on that, per se. Guys, just a quick announcement for all you guys that joined late the live stream. I'm still running this giveaway. Okay, I'm going to give away 1 Solana if you trade meme coins with me on BullX. Okay, so this is the trading bot that I'm using. And also other stuff. Obviously, like the damn video, subscribe, join my free Telegram group, follow me on X. All the alpha is dropped there as well. And if you want to take your crypto investing journey one step forward, my VIP group is the place to be. And I have a brand new website, which is freaking great. You're going to see all the offering. You're going to be able to check out direct from me. I pay with fiat, pay with crypto. You can do everything. I've also added a page for all the reviews. Everything's there, guys. Is this question real? Which coin is best to hold for 1 day? Why would you get a coin and hold it for 1 day, bro? What's the point? For 1 day? Ether. I think you mean Ether, the one AE. Or is that another project? Benji on Base. Basenji? Oh, yeah, I've seen this. It's okay. I wouldn't buy this. It doesn't have a whoa factor, you know? Could do good, but for something that is already this level of market cap. Ah, you mean like nowadays, not for 1 day. Okay. Best to hold. I mean, that is a very broad question, bro, because if you're just asking me which is the best meme coin to just buy now and then forget about it, then I would recommend something like, I mean, Election, obviously, because I've talked about Election a lot. But if you want something that is a little safer, I would recommend Turbo. I would recommend Brett, like the OG Brett. If you want something a little riskier, probably Duck the Duck and also Resistance Dog, which is a project that is really becoming under the radar. Nobody's really talking about that, but it's the top meme coin on the Ton ecosystem. So if you're bullish on Ton and the success of the Ton ecosystem, I think that Rido is going to do well just because it's the best project on Ton, period. It's the one that makes sense. It's the Shiba Inu, it's the Doge, it's the Pepe of the Ton ecosystem, because this was actually created by Pavel Durov, the founder of Telegram and Ton, the open network. So it has it has history, it has legacy, and if people actually get onboarded to the Ton ecosystem, they're just gonna join there. Okay, obviously. Let's check the lore of this. Like, it's crazy. It has a clear meaning. It also has like a message behind it. So it just makes sense to me. Any other smart, intelligent questions? No, the others are quite stupid. Okay. Jokes aside, what I would suggest you do, go into the election Telegram, join the VCs that we're running, and you're going to see what we're all about. Okay? So, I appreciate you watching. I'm going to quit the live stream. You guys know what to do, how to connect with me, and how to support the channel, etc. And I hope to see you guys, obviously, in the VIP group, because this is the best crypto alpha group in the sphere. You're going to learn a lot. You're going to make a lot of money. So hopefully I'll see you there. Otherwise, I'll talk to you later. I'm live streaming almost every day again. So I'm back to daily or almost daily. Let's call it almost daily live streams. So I'm going to speak to you very soon. Take care and have a beautiful evening. Bye-bye.